Hi guys, today I want to show you how to make your phone speaker while louder without using any third-party apps to software. First things first, you need to clear your speaker. There might be some dirt trapped inside and a quick clear will seriously boost the volume. Go to settings, scroll down to additional settings, additional settings, scroll down to clear speaker, opening, and turn it on. It will run a 30-second clearing quickly, and your speaker will sound much louder for real. Second, go to exit settings. Two settings. Go to settings, type preset, scroll down, and search settings. Preset. Into the search bar and select the very last option, voice activation. This actually makes the audio way louder. Go ahead through it yourself and see. Subscribe to my channel, like to the video. Bye.